After watching this video, you will never want to go to a supermarket ever again. The very disturbing video shows how coughing in public can change your life forever. In the 3D model, a person coughs in a corridor bounded by shelves under representative indoor ventilation airflow conditions. As a result of coughing, an aerosol cloud travels in the air to the corridor. It takes up to several minutes for the cloud to spread and disperse. Here's the video. Please subscribe, like, and share to spread awareness.